everybody is extremely welcome, particularly Carlo and Sasha Gébler.
Those pens were not leak-proof. So she always had purple fingers.
She was also a citizen of the world and a political writer.
And when she came to write Girl, she actually went to Nigeria. People wouldn't talk to her unless you paid them. It's also illegal to bring cash into Nigeria. And she was stuffing it inside her clothes. And then later she couldn't find it.
I think that she felt that Ireland had not been friendly. These awards were a form of restitution or possibly even atonement.
But every time we'd have a dinner or something, she'd go, "Is someone going to sing?" I woke up and there's Paul McCartney sitting on the end of the bed, playing the guitar.
Asked which of your writings are you most proud of, O'Brien responded, "The one I will write next."